Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Amazing English. How are you today? Today, I am here with Sarah, and today we are going to talk about Tell Me About Yourself.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Before we begin, please subscribe to Amazing English.
Yes, and don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
Thank you for supporting our channel.
We really appreciate it.
Sarah, are you ready for today's topic?
Yes, I am very excited.
Great! Today's topic is Tell Me About Yourself.
That's a very useful topic.
Yes, people ask this question all the time.
At school, at work, and when meeting new people.
Exactly.
Sometimes people don't know what to say.
That's true.
But today, we will make it easy.
Let's start with a simple question.
Okay.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Nice to meet you, Sarah.
Nice to meet you too, Michael.
My name's Michael.
Nice to meet you, Michael.
Sarah, where are you from?
I am from the United States.
Very nice.
What about you?
I am from Canada.
Canada is a beautiful country.
Thank you.
Do you live in a city?
No, I live in a small town.
Do you like it?
Yes, I do. It is quiet and peaceful.
That sounds nice.
What about you?
I live in a big city.
Is it busy?
Yes, very busy.
Do you like city life?
Yes, I do.
Great.
Michael, how old are you?
I am 28 years old.
Nice.
How old are you?
I am 25 years old.
Wonderful.
What do you do?
I am an English teacher.
That's a great job.
Thank you.
Do you enjoy teaching?
Yes, I love it.
That's great.
What about you?
I am an art student.
Really?
Yes, I love drawing and painting.
That sounds fun.
It is.
Let's talk about family.
Good idea.
Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
What's his name?
His name is Tom.
Is he older or younger than you?
He is older.
Nice.
What about you?
I have one sister.
What is her name?
Her name is Sarah.
That's a beautiful name.
Thank you.
What does she do?
She studies music.
That's wonderful. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is her name?
Her name is Luna.
Cute name.
Thank you.
What does she look like?
She is black and white.
Nice. Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What is his name?
His name is Max.
Is he friendly?
Very friendly.
That's great.
Let's talk about favorite things.
Okay.
What is your favorite food?
Pasta.
Delicious.
What about you?
Pizza.
I like pizza too.
What is your favorite color?
Green.
Why?
Because I love nature.
Nice answer.
What is your favorite color?
Blue.
Like the sky?
Exactly.
What are your hobbies?
I like listening to music and playing soccer.
Sounds fun. What about your hobbies?
I enjoy painting and reading books.
What kind of books?
Adventure books.
Very interesting.
Thank you.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I do.
What kind?
Animated movies and comedy movies.
Great choices. What about you?
I like comedy movies too.
They are funny.
Yes, they are.
Is there any food you don't like?
Yes, I don't like olives.
Really? I like olives.
We are different.
That's okay. What food don't you like?
I don't like spicy food.
I understand. It is too hot for me.
Sarah, what is the best way to answer, "Tell me about yourself"?
Keep it simple.
That's right.
Say your name.
Say where you are from.
Talk about your job or studies.
Mention your hobbies.
Talk about things you like.
That's enough for a great introduction.
Exactly.
Don't make it too complicated.
Be natural and friendly.
A smile helps too.
Definitely.
Sarah, I enjoyed today's conversation.
Me too, Michael.
I learned that you love art, pasta, and your cat Luna.
And I learned that you love teaching, pizza, and your dog Max.
That's right.
I hope our listeners learned something useful today.
We hope so too.
Remember to practice introducing yourself.
Use simple English.
Don't be afraid to speak.
Practice every day.
And keep learning with amazing English.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you, everyone.
Please subscribe, like, and share.
We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.